Yo, what's happening everyone? It's your boy here, Abdurrahim, back again with another great amazing tech video. The video of today, it's all about unboxing PlayStation 5 and see what's packed inside. So I got my bad boy here with me. It's heavy. Ooh. As you can see, that's a heavy box, to be honest, but there are bunch of features throughout PlayStation 5. As you all know, I'm an Xbox fan, and prove me if I'm wrong, PlayStation 5 is dope. Let's unbox first of all the PS5 and see what's happening. Before we unboxing, our sponsor of today, it's Gadgetronix. For all your tech needs living in Arusha, Tanzania, you can head to Gadgetronix to get all your tech in need, especially when it comes to smartphone, smartwatches, fridges, all home appliances stuff, tech stuff, gadgets, you name it. It's very nice and great to get throughout Gadgetronix. Another kind of stuff you can get throughout them is their store. You can check out the online store and purchase anything on the go. Especially right now, there's a bunch of discount when it comes to laptops. So for some of you guys who would like a great and amazing kind of laptop on the go, you can head to the website. I'll leave a link down below to check out the website and get those kind of great and amazing discounts for your kind of tech you want. So I'm gonna peel out the sticker here first of all and remove this kind of stuff here on top. So we're gonna open inside and see what's packed. To be honest, I really kind of enjoy this kind of stuff. Whew. Back in the days, you're buying a console, it was a little bit kind of not heavy like this, but since then there are bunch of stuffs. Let me just stay. Whew. Nice. So we are getting like a power cord, I can call it this kind of power cord. It's powering it on of the PlayStation 5. Ooh, we are getting a controller, so you're getting a one controller, something which is so great. You can see, ooh, that's a Star Wars looking controller, to be honest. It's really kind of great. Paperworks, so bunch of paperworks you're getting throughout PlayStation 5. It's really kind of great to read them. And you're getting a service plus warranty card, which is perfect. A stand, I guess this is the kind of a stand if you'd like to keep your PS5 on a stand, I guess. This type of a stand. That was really heavy, to be honest. So, ladies and gentlemen, this is the PS5. As you can see, here we have it. Let us just unbox that bad boy and see what's packed inside. I'm really kind of pumped. Woo. This is really dope. That's a machine there. You know what I mean? It's really kind of dope. Really kind of awesome. So guys, as you can see, this is the PlayStation 5. And we're having the USB port here and Type-C. This is a Type-C cable. You're getting a USB 3.0. So if you see these kind of blue colors on the USB, indicates that this is a 3.0 USB and an Ethernet cable and a HDMI and a power cable. This is how much the power cable looks like. It looks like this way, like a radio connector from back in the days, still having that kind of nostalgia of radio connecting this kind of port, which is really kind of impressive. PlayStation 5 controller, brand new kind of controller in the house, which is something which is so great. A Type-C cable for charging it. Okay, we are good to go. Time to power it on. So guys, as you can see, we have just to plug it in the controller. So here we have it. We have just to connect it on the USB. Now let me get my USB Type-C cable for connection. So I'm gonna use Type-C to Type-C for connection here, just like that, and press this button. So that's what's up. We're in, baby. That's what's up. You can see how much we're inside there. Select United States, and we're gonna do some setup. As you can see, it wants me to connect on the internet. Don't do this, do this later. Okay, continue without disk, sure. Optimized experience. Okay, user, confirm, continue. Something which is so great. So welcome to PlayStation 5. I like that kind of sound. Yeah, we are having the playroom, the Astro. As you can see, guys, that's the Astro. I'm gonna play throughout Astro and see what's packed inside throughout Astro. It's a really kind of great game for demonstration because I don't have any CD, but it's a really kind of perfect game. It reminds me of Ratchet and Clank, to be honest. Woo! That's dope. That's dope, baby. That's dope. You can see the controller, the PS1, oh, PS2, PS3, PS4. We are going for PS5. Woo! I like that kind of intro, to be honest, Sony. Okay, vibration. And I can really hear the vibration, to be honest. Woo! That's how I'm controlling the controller here right now, as you can see, guys. Adaptive triggers. Oh, so if you press too much of the trigger, it triggers. But if you press lighter trigger, it does not do anything. So as you can see, if I press it harder, boof, like a nitrous. You know what I mean? Like a nitrous, like a nitrous. And these buttons are controlling and showing you in live. And these kind of buttons, you can see, you can take a screenshot just like that. So you can see, take a screenshot. We have a screenshot there, but I don't know how you can share that screenshot to a phone or even to a computer. But anyways, it's really kind of great to see other kind of buttons. You can see this is a touchpad, so you can press this kind of touchpad, or you can even write your name. The motion sensor, how much it looks like. Woo! PS5 is really dope, to be honest. It's really kind of awesome. Tilting it, you can see how much motion sensor they work. They're really kind of perfect. Here's the microphone. So if I speak on the microphone, or even I can make that noise. Yo, what's happening, ladies and gentlemen? How you doing? It's really kind of great to see how much Sony has packed throughout PlayStation 5, to be honest. That's the PlayStation 5 there, baby. That's an amazing console for 2021 or even 2020. It's really kind of perfect thing to see. I'm speechless. I'm speechless, ladies and gentlemen. Holding my breath to play this kind of game and see how it works. So this is how much the demonstration of the game. Let me just keep my kind of controller somewhere here down. It shows you. Woo! That's our character there. Okay, let's go here. Woo! Getting all the coins. Perfect. This shows that you can use blocks to break things out. Just like that. Okay. I'm bringing that kind of cable. Hi, what's up? Perfect. Whoa, that's dope. Dope. Looks like a server. That's awesome. Dope. Ah, PlayStation 1, the legendary. CPU Plaza, nice. Woo! Let's go back in time. Memory mid. I think this is like a nostalgic of how much they made all their games or their console. You can get this kind of cable. That's a PS1 connector. That's a PS1 connector. Check it out. That's a PS1 connector. That's dope. That's a nostalgic. Looks like Pokemon Ball. Get it, get it, get it, get it, get it. What's this? I don't know. Bring the cable. Nice. Damn. Somebody's throwing at us something. I don't know who is it. Let's go here. Woo! You can use even laser. Oh, the legendary controller for PS1. You can see, you can handle this. To zoom in, you can see how much it looks like. That's a controller of PS1. Man, this is some nostalgia stuff. Perfect. I really enjoy this Sony, to be honest. Sony, big up for that. So guys, that's what's up. I hope you enjoyed on that kind of Astro Playroom game. It's really kind of great game to check it out from the first time you're unboxing your PlayStation or you have installed your PlayStation 5. It's really kind of dope game to check it out. I really recommend that kind of great game. It's really kind of dope. It's really kind of awesome. So this is the PlayStation 5, guys. It's really kind of packed with a lot of features. Especially I like that kind of controller trigger. So not every game has that kind of stuff. Look at the controller. As you can see, guys, this is the PlayStation 5 controller. So you trigger more to give you that kind of a certain task which it performs. And if you use the sensors, the touch, it's really kind of great for that kind of haptic feedback you get throughout PlayStation 5. It's really kind of more enhanced throughout PlayStation 4 and other kind of Sony consoles which have passed. Thank you guys for watching. I'll be seeing your smiley faces on the next one. As always, stay sharp and creative, and kudos guys. Peace.